We got here today is a Hampton Bay Huntington III in white. The other one, breakfast room, is wet and grass, but I'll show you that in a moment. So let's get a video of this fan, which is a Hampton Bay. So it's probably definitely from one of the 2000s models. Before it was Huntington 2, which is kind of similar to Huntington 3, except it's more of a 3-bulb fixture. So, here's the controls. It's for the, this is for the fan, that's for the light. I'm not going to dim it because it's going to... So we're going to go ahead and start with low. There's a leak issue there, so anyway. Let's go ahead and turn it on low. Yeah, I mean, I've known these fans since I was at least a toddler. So, see, it's quick connect. So these came out in 2001. About 20 years ago. So this fan's probably about at least 15 years old. I believe the gazebos were... I'm not sure when even all the gazebos were discontinued. Probably some locations back in the 2000s still sold their gazebo 42-inch fans. Alright, I'll go ahead and go on medium. I've known these fans throughout my childhood. Not really throughout my childhood, but the ones looking up in the Home Depot catalogs. Oh. Alright, sorry about that. High speed. Alright. Alright. There we go. Oh, sorry about that. I accidentally hit it. Here's the Hampton Bay pole chains. All right. I'll be turning this back on high in a moment because that's where it was founded. So I'm going to turn it off. You can see the Hampton Bay logo on that fan right there. There it is. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Actually, I'll go right next to the other fan.